Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Happy you're here with us in our kitchen. Today we're going to be doing a recipe that we had lots of requests for, spaghetti and meatballs. So for this recipe we're going to be using 450 grams of spaghetti noodles. We're going to be using 450 grams also of minced chicken. We have a 650 milliliter bottle of the sauce and all the other ingredients that you can see there. We're going to be using some celery, some scallion, onions, garlic, pepper, 2 slices of bread, garlic, and also an egg. All the ingredients with measurements is going to of course be below the video in the description box. We're going to get started with our spaghetti and meatballs, guys. Let's get started. Okay, so to begin with, we're going to start working on our meatballs. So first thing we're going to do, guys, is chop up our slices of bread. So you break it into little pieces like that, put it in your mini chopper. So we are doing one slice at a time. Our chopper is small. Good, so we got our breadcrumb there. We're gonna do the other slice. So we're gonna get our seasonings ready for our meatballs. So some of these seasonings, as you can see, is going to make the meatballs, and some is going to be used for the sauce. So next thing, you're going to add your minced chicken to your breadcrumb. Add some black pepper, salt to taste. We're now going to add the stuff that we pounded in the mortar, garlic and scallion and celery. So we've now added the egg there. So you're going to mix that up well now, make sure everything is incorporated. So now that we've mixed that together, we're going to start making our meatballs now. So while we are making out our meatballs there, my friends, we're gonna start heating up the water for our noodles. So we have finished rolling off our balls, guys, and we have 22 from the 450 grams of chicken that we had, minced chicken, so 22 balls. So now that we have our meatballs all rolled out, guys, we're gonna start working on the sauce, the seasonings for the sauce. So we have some garlic, onion, scallion, celery, and pepper, of course, to taste if you like that. So we've got all our seasonings for the sauce, so now we're going to add our pasta to our water to boil that. Salt to taste. So now we're going to add some oil to our pan here, guys. You don't need a lot of oil, you just need a coating at the bottom of your pan to brown them. So our noodles are coming along here. And as they say, you want to cook this al dente. So you guys, you can now surprise your girlfriend or your wife one day with this dish. You know, when she comes from work, you already have the table laid out. That would be a nice surprise, right? And as you can see, it's not hard to make. And a nice bottle of wine. Not Banco wine, right? So these don't take very long to brown, as you can see. So you're going to try to brown these as all around as possible. So our noodles still needs to go a bit more. And you don't want to cook your meatballs for very long, too long. So these meatballs are okay now, so we're going to remove them from the stove. As I said, you don't want to cook them for too long. They still have to be cooked further in sauce. So we're going to start our sauce in this handy dandy karahi. So we added some oil there and it's hot already, so we're going to add our scallions and onions and so on there. Our noodles will soon be ready. Garlic and pepper, everything that we ground there. So you're going to fry this up a bit, then you're going to add your meatballs. A couple of people had asked for this quite a while back, then about 2 days ago someone requested it again, so we said, as you're going to make it for the kids, you might as well do the recipe at the same time. Some black pepper. Salt. So our noodles should be done here now, guys. Should be al dente. There you go. So now we're going to add our sauce here now, guys. And the sauce we are using today is a spinach and cheese sauce. You can use any flavor you like. But this spaghetti is one of our kids' favorite. So we make this every so often for them. So for your pasta sauce, guys, once you've added your sauce in there, you want to bring this to a boil on high heat, and then you want to lower it after that and let it simmer for about close to 10 minutes until it starts to thicken up a bit, and then it's done. So we're gonna let this simmer now for the amount of time needed for it to thicken a bit. Okay, my friends, so our sauce has been simmering in here for about 10 minutes, and that's okay now. It's gotten thicker. So that's it for our sauce. Okay, my friends, so here's our spaghetti and meatballs. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.